Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. This year I'm getting a head start on my Christmas cards and I hope you will too. I'm excited to be offering a kit class that's perfect for everyone from beginner stampers to avid crafters. What makes this kit extra special is that you can order more than one. So it's a great opportunity to host a creative gathering that you would like to do with your friends, relatives, or coworkers or whomever. All the supplies are included in the class, and it's a non-stamping class, so you won't need any stamps or inks. There's a very short ordering window, so the class is open now until June 10th, 2026 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'm going to put my camera down so you can see this fabulous Nutcracker class. I really like it, and I hope you guys will too. All right, it's time to take a look at these cute little nutcrackers. You'll make 3 cards of the same design. On the inside, it will be a little bit different because once I got all the tags together, all the nutcrackers, I had some pieces left over. So of course, I'm going to put those to use, and I use them on the inside. So let's take a look at the first card. Again, you'll make 3 of them. And this one says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." And it's really cute because that little mustache is popped up with our mini dimensionals. And then here's a strip from one of the banners. Now they gave us 1 each of all 4 colors, so that was helpful where I cut them down in half. And then, well, first I cut off the little banner part here, and then I cut it in half. And then I was able to use them on the inside. So you'll see in just a second. So here's the "Believe in the Magic of Christmas." And then here's the other one. And there's where I used that little glitter banner. And then the last one in this design. And there's a little crown. I love that on the guy nutcrackers, they all have this cute little mustache that's popped up, and the hat is popped up as well. So here's this one, and then here's that banner again. And you can see that I am providing a embossed panel, and we'll talk about that in just a second. I think it really makes the cards really pop. The nutcrackers come right off the card and be that focal point that you want. Here's another little hat. And then we've got the girl sending joy. And this one's super cute. The boots get popped up and also the hat. I just really like those boots. And then we had an extra set, so I put them on the inside of the card along with half of that banner. And I did pop them up. And then here's the other one. Just that little real red and flirty flamingo banner. And there's a little extra hat. And then finally, here's the last one. Cheer to last the year. And then there's that one. I love the little beard. It's in mustache. It's all popped up. Super, super fun kit, you guys. And this would be a great kit to do with some friends and family members, or maybe coworkers after work. You could get together, maybe at a pizza joint or maybe in your conference room. Also, again, this is a non-stamping kit, so you do not need any stamps or inks, which makes it great for those that maybe don't have those and want to start getting into paper crafting, or your avid stampers will enjoy this kit as well. So I'm including 12 basic white envelopes. I love our envelopes. They're just super nice and very durable. And then I've got 12 of the basic white thick card bases. And what I do for all of my kits is even Card Club, or even a kit I have in the mail, I always score them, burnish, fold and burnish them for you so they will ship really nice. So these will be all ready to use. And then here's 12 of the, it's called the Plaid, Forever Plaid 3D embossing folder. So you've got 12 of these as well. And then in the kit, it comes with some mini dimensionals, along with some mini glue dots, but I found that I used some of my own supplies, meaning that I brought in some of our regular Stampin' Dimensionals because I could use a bigger one rather than using like 3 of the minis. So I was able to save a little bit. So I'm going to include 1 sheet of the Stampin' Dimensionals along with some multi-purpose liquid glue. I used the liquid glue to adhere the panel, the embossed panel, and also the banner and the little poinsettia in the back here. So I thought that was super helpful. Oh, in the sentiment as well. It was a combination of glue and also Stampin' Dimensionals. So the liquid glue is very, very handy. And what's really nice about this kit is you're going to have plenty of leftover adhesives, okay? And also the kit comes with a basic white linen thread, and I did not use it on any of my cards. So you could use this on the cards that you make in this kit, or you can save it for another project later. So I hope you start creating your Christmas cards with me. I'm going to have a video tutorial for you and also written instructions. So you'll have the step-by-step written instructions from the kit and also how I put these all together. So it's a great time to start. I know it's June. I'm taping this on June 1st. And I know it's super early to do that, but I like to have my Christmas cards done by November 30th. That way, the first week of December, I can get them out in the mail and they're good and gone. So we can think of other things around Christmas time. So I hope that you join my class. It's going to be super fun. And don't forget about that very short ordering window, June 10th. At 8 o'clock Eastern time. All right, if you guys have any questions, you can email me at karen@inspiredbygram.com, or you can look at all the information in the YouTube description box. I will also have this on my website at inspiredbygram.com. All right, you guys, I hope you get a chance to make your Christmas cards early, just like me. Have a great day.